Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger. You cannot use this feature right now problem on Messenger. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to apps. Click on manage apps. Search Messenger application. Click on Messenger application. Again click on storage. Tap on clear data. Again tap on clear cache data. Top right corner on Messenger application. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Messenger application latest version. Update your Messenger application and fix Messenger you cannot use this feature right now problem. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger you cannot use this feature right now problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.